Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Eating with Coach Amber. Today I'll be giving you an idea for a quick and easy breakfast. You'll need 1 Chobani low-fat Greek yogurt drink, 1 cup of fruit of your choice, and 1 granola bar. I'll be eating the oats and honey with toasted coconut bar made by the Kind brand. Here is my 1 cup of cut up strawberries. I got a bad batch of strawberries this go round. Comment below where you buy your strawberries. Here is the Kind oats and honey with toasted coconut bar. This bar is about 150 calories and does have 23 grams of carbs. If you're eating low carb, please choose a different option or just omit the granola bar altogether. Here's the Chobani drink, and it has 10 grams of protein, which is what I love. It is also good for just a quick snack as well. So I have these cute little Systema boxes that I'll go ahead and put my breakfast in during the week. And as you see, I'm just going ahead and putting my strawberries in, and then I'll throw in the Kind bar. And something about packing my things in a cute way makes me more excited to open up and eat it. So I hope you enjoyed this. We'll talk soon. Bye.